I did the ILDP program in 2014 to 2015. I heard about the program through my then general manager at the time, who had nominated me for the program. Part of the program, we went to Netherlands, Rotterdam specifically. When we were there, we visited a number of sites, including the DHL main site in Rotterdam. We also visited Flora Hollander. And it was very great to actually see how supply chain is done in such a critical floral industry. So our initial topic was to compare the rail technologies of the Netherlands versus the South African rail technologies. And when we went to Netherlands and started our research assignment, we encountered troubles with accessing information within the time that we had available. So we had to narrow down our project to a more smaller focus area, and we did the comparison of the security technologies within the rail industry for the two countries. We definitely picked up that South Africa has a lot of things that are in place. However, we don't maintain them. We also then picked up that there are certain elements that we can learn from the Netherlands that we didn't have in place, such as cable technologies. They were using DNAs on their cables to identify cables or to curb the theft of cables, which is a huge problem in South Africa. And we thought those were the things that we could work with. If we had implemented the recommendations of the Action Learning Project, we would have minimized the issues of train derailments due to cable theft, or issues of trains such as the Gautrain being stopped for operation because of cable theft. So one of the key technical skills that I picked up during the program was organizing. As part of the Action Learning program, there were a number of us from different regions, different organizations, and we needed to get together to get our work done. And we needed somebody to put everything together, and that's basically one of the elements that we had to learn. Even though our Action Learning project focused more on the rail technologies, one of the technologies that we did pick up would have been useful in my industry, being the courier industry, was the use of drones as an avenue of securing the business. With the amount of hijackings that we are experiencing, the traffic issues that we have, drones are going to become the future of last mile delivery services around the world. So we need to start looking at that technology as well. So I would say Nondumiso was a very shy person initially. I was very ashamed to perhaps stand up in front of people and say anything. And through the program and the interaction with other people, I got to find my voice. I got to learn a lot about myself. And one of the things that perhaps had a huge impact in me was understanding the reason behind the person that I am. Through the assessments that we were doing in class, you could pick up that this is who I am and this is why I am that person. And if I want to do something different about the person I am today, this is what I need to do. And you were learning from your peers and from your lectures as well. So the ILDP program had a direct impact in my promotion. One of the things that initially when I started the program, I asked, what's in it for me? Why must I go and do this program? Because at the time I had no idea what it was all about, that it was really about myself. And my manager then sat with me and said, this is your opportunity to grow, and you now need to set up your development path. And if you complete it, we can then negotiate the next step from here. So it definitely had a direct link, because at the end of the program, I went back and I said, I'm done. Now it's the time for you to deliver your part.